Hi, I'm Joel Lazinski, and in today's video I'm going to continue speaking about dental health and how it affects our personal health. Now yesterday I got a lot of questions about brushing teeth and nutrition, and I wanted to just clear up a few things and add to the conversation. So brushing teeth is a very important way in the modern world to look after our teeth, but it is a relatively newer addition to oral health. There were many cultures that had perfect, pristine, healthy teeth without any cavities, with no crooked teeth, without any dental problems, and they didn't brush their teeth at all. Many cultures used tooth sticks or other methods to mechanically remove large particles from their teeth and food from their teeth, but the modern toothbrush and toothpaste only came in the 1800s. So it is a new addition, it is a very important one, and I definitely, myself and my family, do brush our teeth twice a day. We use natural toothpaste, and I did share a video before on choosing a good quality natural toothpaste. And if you want to know about that, please look in the previous videos or ask me privately for that video. So the other ways to look after our oral health and how it affects the rest of our body is through nasal breathing. So those that breathe through their mouth, and this is often through congestion or sinus problems or poor palate formation, what this ends up doing, it ends up drying up the mouth. It affects the saliva in the mouth and the quality of the saliva, and it can have a detrimental effect on your oral health. So nasal breathing, what nasal breathing also does is it increases nitric oxide throughout the nasal passages and throughout the bloodstream, which is a really powerful natural antioxidant in the body, a vasodilator, which means it opens up the blood vessels, keeps blood pressure regulated, and has overall health benefits in our body. A good way to maintain and to strengthen palate formation is obviously breastfeeding your children. That's not guaranteed, but it is going to definitely widen the palate compared to bottle feeding and using pacifiers or dummies, because that will generally narrow the palate. Also thumb sucking or finger sucking will do that as well. The other things that we can look at doing is how we feed our children. So in the past you would have seen very wide jaw lines and very wide middle third of the face, very wide healthy smiles. And you see this, as I said in previous video, on in skulls, in excavations, you'll see perfect wide palates. And one of the differences that has happened in the modern world is soft food. Even our breads used to be sour, the sourdough breads, and very, very hard. Some cultures in Switzerland would not only sourdough their bread, but they would also let it harden or ferment further for another 2 weeks after baking. And this creates very hard bread. Also, the meat we eat nowadays is what they call grade A meat. It's very soft from young animals and very tender. So we don't actually chew our food anymore. Previous generations really used their jaws. This had a big effect, positive effect on not only tooth strength, but also on gum and jaw strength and development. So all these modern things that are coming into our diet and into our lifestyles are affecting our oral health, which then also affect the way in which our bodies develop. And I always say a narrow face leads to narrow pelvis, and it can affect childbirth as well in women. So there are lots that we can talk about, and I'll keep adding to the series as we go along, just to share with you the benefits of looking after your teeth and looking after your children's teeth and looking after your nutrition and your lifestyle in order to optimize your health. Thank you.